Howdy. Welcome to Daily Tech News by Vidhatha. This is Aluka.
Today's date April 12, 2023.
Today's headlines. Xiaomi 13 Ultra launching globally. Realme Narzo N55 launched. WhatsApp is working on expiring groups. Let's dive into the news. Xiaomi 13 Ultra.
Xiaomi 13 Ultra launching globally on April 18, 2023.
Realme Narzo N55. Realme Narzo N55 launched at an introductory price of 10,299 Indian rupees in India. WhatsApp. WhatsApp is working on expiring groups as an additional tool to save space, available in a future update of the app. For more tech content, visit our website, link in the description. That's all for today. Let's meet tomorrow. Signing off, bye.